of tools, and when it comes to knives, the harder the better. You're going to have a great edge on your knife. I'm here Justin, what's Betsy going to be demonstrating here for us?
Well, Betsy's going to cut a cucumber for us with the 6-inch chef knife. This is a zirconium oxide knife. All of our knives start out as a white knife, like the zirconium oxide knife that you see here. But we also produce a zirconium carbide knife, which is the black knife. Okay. And all of the knives, like I said, start out at white, but the second processing of the knife at about 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit and 4 tons per square inch actually chemically alters the material from white to black. And this material is actually twice as hard as the white material. So where the white material is 4 to 8 times as hard as carbon steel, this material can actually become up to 10 times as hard as the hardest carbon steel knife on the market.
So, and we've already established, too, the harder your material, the longer it's going to hold an edge, and the more fun you're going to have in the kitchen.
That's right. The zirconium carbide knives are probably the most durable ceramic knives on the market today. At 10 times the hardness of steel, even if dropped, you're very unlikely to get a chip.
Knives are extremely sharp, much sharper than what you're used to, and they do stay sharp for longer. So cutting things like tomato or soft fruits or vegetables is literally effortlessly to use. Now they are nice and lightweight, so for long repetitive chopping tasks, it really helps fight fatigue in your arms, your wrists, your neck, as well as your shoulders. Dishwasher safe, but like all good quality knives, we just recommend you wash them by hand. Once again, they're non-coarse, so if you were to cut an apple, for example, or maybe an onion, and then cut something else afterwards, a quick rinse and a wipe is really all these knives need. Last but not least, when it comes to the browning of your fruits or your vegetables, no metal ions come out from the knife itself. Steels and carbon steel knives leave metal ions, so it attributes to the browning of your fruits and your vegetables. You can literally get away with chopping up lettuce now. Won't brown for supper, or apples for lunch. They won't be brown when you go to eat them.
So because you can virtually cut anything with there, right? The third knife, one of my favorites. This is great for cutting tomatoes, actually. The utility knife. I like this one a lot for tomatoes. But again, it's not limited to just one thing. Pretty much anything.
相信我啊，嗱，你切個洋葱係嘛？切個洋葱唔會見眼嘅，結果冇空氣密度夠，生果可以維持幾個小時唔會氧化，食物就健康咗㗎。切個茄子咧，金屬刀即刻要浸水，薯仔係一個例子。用搪瓷刀去切個洋葱、茄子係雪白，成朵百合花咁靚。當生果都用呢一 part 你都賺咗，係健康，用錢買唔到。同時間翻去咧，嗱煮餸一日3餐，佢就重，用佢嚟切魚生。藏密度唔夠嘅水晶，即係有細菌，鐵鏽帶落去魚生。切肉一日3餐始終係重嘅，把刀輕係唔使用手嚟。日本人用嚟片魚生，你可以片豬肉、片牛肉，佢要幾磅佢就有幾磅，係唔使用手嚟煮飯。一個肉餅佢好快就碎。煮飯幾叻都好，有一把輕巧嘅刀。買件衫唔會日日着，我買把刀一日3餐係日日都要用啊！哥哥，煮餸真係一把利器好啊！嗱，有條毛巾佢好硬，重嘅刀係唔夠鋼，雙刀口好大力，唔夠鋼切毛巾就切唔到啦，要磨刀啦。把刀咧要強硬鋒利，用佢嚟切條毛巾就醫師裝切條豬腸粉一樣，唔生鏽，有6年嘅壽命，係唔使去磨刀嘅喎嚇。嗱，正常啲就係煲呢啖湯講緊㗎啦，將個刀鋒推佢落去。以前咧呢啲咁硬嘅瓜菜咪要斬咯，咁樣推佢落去，就好似切個豆腐咁好似。有興趣可以試下嘅喎，阿姐姐你煮飯嘅更加要試啦嚇，送埋俾你啊哥哥姐姐，撳住中間唔好滯，不過好刨啲生果咧維持8個小時。
有好處咧，你記住衞生乾淨，因為呢啲刀嗱，其實你攞嚟屋企攞嚟切生果嘅話，知唔知㗎？切完個蘋果咧，佢唔會燒，因為佢呢啲冇金屬成分嘅。咁同埋呢一把刀咧，佢人哋攞嚟切魚生都用呢啲刀，因為呢啲刀夠你攞嚟切條批下就停㗎啦。咁譬如你屋企有時打下邊爐啊，你要起下啲魚片啊、薄片嘅話咧，你屋企要幾薄就幾薄咯。同埋最重要，我哋用呢一把刀咧，佢唔使磨嘅喎，記住唔使磨。因為你屋企買乜嘢刀都好啦，通常用2-3個月到就要磨，因為呢啲刀佢鋼水唔夠硬，同埋把刀咧越磨越薄， 磨壞咗把刀就要抌㗎啦。有冇聽過周身刀冇張利？好多人屋企都係咁嘅問題。嗱，好似你見到我哋我哋誇張少少。嗱，呢度咧特登攞條毛巾。嗱，因為毛巾佢個質地已經好硬㗎啦嘛。嗱，我哋嫌佢唔夠厚啊。嗱，捲到佢成條腸粉咁厚咯，10幾20成厚。因為我哋啲刀佢唔夠硬，你係切都切唔入㗎嘛。咁而家用呢一把刀啊，小姐啊，記住，好似切呢啲毛巾咧，我哋係好似切腸粉咁樣，要大牛細牛得咁我哋少少。因為你點解見到咁多人買咧？呢啲刀喺韓國、日本大部分嘅家庭都係用呢啲㗎啦。嗱，呢一把就邊個㗎呢把？幫你試一試把刀啊！即係你唔好諗住淨係我賣俾你嗰把刀先咁嚟。嗱，你嗰把刀一樣係咁嚟。嗱，用到幾污糟都好咯，一沖水咧佢即刻乾淨嘅。咁呢把刀咧，你唔攞嚟斬骨頭啊嗰啲咧，你用10年用20年都好咯。把刀咧係唔需要去磨嘅，係咪先？同埋呢一把刀咧，你記住嚟講咧，佢唔會跣刀咯，切嘢唔會跣刀。嗱，通常我哋試刀啊，姐姐我哋都攞個番茄嚟試，因為番茄佢個皮硬心夠腍咯。如果你屋企把刀唔夠你咧，切個番茄咪會跣咯，跣出邊冇所謂啊，跣入邊就切到手啦。咁而家呢啲刀佢夠你嘅話，嗱，你一擺落去佢幫你找出啲瓜菜。咁你切個番茄好靚㗎，佢連埋啲汁，連埋啲皮啊，連埋啲核啊，啲營養咧喺翻晒。切嘢佢唔會跣刀。同埋如果你屋企煮飯咧，你平時屋企有落下洋葱嗰啲咧，你試下用我哋呢把刀啊，因為同時都有一個好處咧，切完成個洋葱咧，成隻洋葱擺落隻眼度咧都唔乸眼喎。點解咧？因為我哋屋企用開呢啲刀咧，佢唔利咧，一切個洋葱咧，嗰啲汁佢會飆晒出嚟㗎。